Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva website or your portfolio. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you change the image or replace an image in your Canva website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to replace an image in your Canva website or landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you built out your portfolio or your website on Canva, it's kind of weird because if you click into the picture, there's no button to replace the image. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process and it's handled here in the editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. So I've already logged into my Canva account and this is the home screen that's going to show all of my recent projects. So you want to go ahead and pull up the website or the landing page that you want to replace the image. If you don't see this page for some reason, don't worry, just click on projects over here on the left. All right, once you do that, just go ahead and scroll through until you see the project. So we'll work on this one right here. Okay, guys, so here we are in the editor. So as you can see right here, I have an image of myself. So the weird thing is when you want to change the image, let's say we want to add a different picture here. When you click on it, they don't really have a place where you can go ahead and swap out the image, even up here, at least that I'm not aware of. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and look over here on the left and then click on uploads. Okay, here you want to go ahead and upload your image that you want to swap this one out for. So for example, I have this city image right here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and grab the image once it's uploaded and it's showing up here. And you're just going to, don't let go, just drag it on over and hold it over that particular image that you want to replace. And you can see it just pops right in. And then once it's there, you can go ahead and let go. And as you can see, the image has now been replaced inside my Canva website. Now you're not done until you click on publish website here on the top right. Now, if you need to resize it, you can just click into it and then just drag it around right here by these little white buttons here. So I'm not sure why there's no replace button here if you want to replace it. So it's pretty easy. You're just going to have to drag it right over the top of the other image, just like this, and it'll just replace. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to replace an image in your Canva website or your portfolio, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.